I know this may be strange and I may look upside down to you, but that's the whole point today. Today was pancake pajama day at my house, at my school, and my friends might know what I'm talking about, okay? My hair, I just took off my hat from my other video. I look weird. Oh, God. Oh, come on. Okay, so, yeah, this is Upside Down Day on YouTube. Yay! If you have a YouTube channel and you're watching this, like, you could also tell your favorite, like, your people on YouTube. If you like someone, write that on their channel. You could write in their comments that you want them to do the Upside Down Challenge, which is you have to do one whole video doing anything, to be fair, like listening to music or talking or pretty much anything upside down. So you have to look, it's kind of the whole point. So maybe like Diamond Minecart, Line Maker, Snappy Longnose, Captain Sparkles, you know, those. Okay, so this is the light. Oh man, this is hard. So what I'm gonna do, can you see Minecraft? This is my phone. Okay, this feels so weird. Alright, I'm gonna play Minecraft. Like this. There you go. This is hard. I'm playing bucket of lava. Let me just bring this up a little more. We're touching the right buttons. Let's see if I can write something. E D and what do I click? Return. This is hard. Let me flip it over. Return. And here's, let's see what I wrote. It's gone. Chat, and I'm gonna turn it like this for you guys so you can read it. It's it's ETFRRR. I don't know what that means, so I wrote something random. But if I write it like this, I could. Let me change it. This is weird. Okay, so that was one of the upside down challenges, and it was kind of fun, but it hurts my neck. It kind of hurts your neck because I'm like over my couch, so it's kind of easier. Oh, my neck. If you heard that little crack, that's me. Oh, my neck. Got a crooked neck. Oh, God. Let's see what I could do. Put music on backwards. Let's see. This is gonna be hard. Let me turn it like this. So, no, not dessert, please. Not dessert. I'm not in the mood for dessert. Get it? Dessert. And there you go. So, I'm in love with Monster. This is. Oh, Andy, Grandma, you may know this song. Gotta keep your head up. Oh, you'll all know this one. For all the times that you rain on my parade. And as you see the songs, try and guess what they are, because they're all backwards. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. That's obvious. This one's kind of should have been us because it's kind of hard and all backwards, so it's gonna be harder. Oh, maybe you might know this one. No, wait, not that one. That's my mom's. There we go. So that's 2 upside down challenges. If you want me to do more, then I will. Thank you.